Hi everyone, my name is Aliaksei Lenski, and now we're gonna discuss our new video called Methods and Parameters on the base of turtle drawing. We'll draw these with our turtle, and I'm gonna discuss how I did it and what methods I used during making this video. So as every our class starts, we start with public class. A public class is the beginning of each program. Then we call it as we call the file itself. By the way, I took this file from the folder book classes, where we can find any useful material for each our topic. So we do turtle, call it turtle, and then something now unknown for me because it's not what I wrote. So now we're gonna work on the main part of our code, and it's called main. Yeah, public static means public means that this material is accessible for everyone, even outside of the Java. So, and in these braces we see our parameters, our array. It will be a string array, and args means arguments, which will be in this array. So, as every our video, our code, we start with creating a world and the turtle in this world. We also before doing anything, I set up a width of our pen. It means how wide will be our drawing, and then I use the color. I put black because why not? And then I created this is draw shape. For now it's unknown for our Java because we will create this code by ourselves. So, and now we will discuss how I did this. So it's again public void. Void is return type, by the way. So, and we call this method draw shape. In braces we put the size of this. The parameter of it is again integer size of our shape. And now this is a bunch of code I wrote, which describes every action of our turtle. By the way, we discussed how to do how to rule our turtle using the basic commands in my previous video. You can check this also. So using all these methods, I did this. Yeah, it's this beautiful star